In 1993, Trott and Mohan introduced open rhinoplasty techniques to this problem. The prolabial flap is elevated in concert with nostril apex incisions as shown here. The skin is elevated away from the dome cartilages, the fibrofat resected, allowing the domes to be brought up and sutured together, as described by McComb earlier in this tape. The floor of the nose is closed. The domes are brought up and together and sutured in position. The lip is closed as described earlier in this tape. And the composite repair finished. The poor blood supply to the prolabium and the continuous incision from the lateral nostril apex down to the bottom of the Cupid's bow have limited the acceptance of this repair worldwide.